Hello everybody. So I want to do a very quick video on what support and what resistance means and why they're important. In the last video we set you guys up on your charts. Now you know what Bollinger Bands are, moving averages, relative strength index. Now I want to talk about the top line here and the bottom line here. This is called resistance and this is called support. It's pretty self-explanatory, but basically what it means is as the stock is bouncing around a very tight range, as it's doing here, it's bouncing from around $10 to $12. This is a very tight trading range. This top line here is resistance. It's saying there's a lot of people who like this stock, but not that many where it's really starting to move. We're looking for this right here, which is a breakout. Once this top line is crossed, you say, or what traders commonly would say is it broke through its top line of resistance. The opposite is true down here. This is support, and it means that there's enough people in that stock that they're not selling it. They don't want it to go lower. I'm holding it, you're holding it. We're all in a wait and see period, and that's what this tight trading range is. A very narrow trading range is a kind of tug of war, wait and see kind of period, as it's not fluctuating drastically. In other words, it's not bouncing around from, say, $10 to $14 over the course of the day. It's got a very tight range of about $2. Support and resistance doesn't matter the size of the trading range. So this is narrow. This is a very wide trading range. Doesn't matter. This top line is always top of resistance. This is support. Anytime this line is breached to the upside, it triggers a potential buying opportunity. Only potential, not guaranteed. And anytime it crosses down here, it signals a potential selling opportunity. In other words, it's time to get out of the stock. It's breached its support. All bets are off now. There were enough people holding the stock going, hey, I really like this here. But maybe bad economic news, bad sector news, bad stock news, whatever it is, something has brought that stock down. It could be a competitor. It could be another company in that same sector had really bad earnings, and now people are freaking out about everything in that sector, pulling it down. It's broken through its support. Uh-oh, time to get out. The opposite would be very good news from another company, pulling up all stocks from that same sector. So that is what support and resistance are. Thanks. Have a good night.